Do you know the one feature that can change your entire relationship with your bank? If you're banking with Regions, you've probably heard about the different checking options, the mobile app, maybe even their green print planning tool. But for most people, the most stressful part of banking is that moment when you realize a bill is due, but your paycheck hasn't quite hit yet. You're living life on a tiny calendar gap. And that brings me to the absolute best tip I can give anyone banking with Regions: maximize the value of Regions early pay. It sounds simple, but getting access to your money up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled payday is an incredible tool for financial wellness, and here's why you need to be using it to its full potential. First, it's an automatic overdraft shield. Regions has something called Overdraft Grace, which is great. It gives you until 8 p.m. Central Time the next business day to cover an overdraft of more than $5. But early pay can prevent the overdraft from happening in the first place. By getting your paycheck on Wednesday instead of Friday, you automatically cover any small transactions, scheduled payments, or hold releases that might have otherwise dinged you with a fee. It turns a potential high-stress moment into a non-event. Second, it de-stresses your monthly cycle. Think about how many times your rent or car payment is due on the 1st or 15th, and your payday lands right on it or, worse, the day after. Early pay gives you 2 extra days of cushion. That means you can schedule your auto payments with absolute confidence that the money will be there, without needing to anxiously check your balance the night before. This time shift is powerful. It effectively moves you out of that month-to-month, day-to-day money scramble. Third, it's free, and you don't even have to sign up. This isn't a premium feature you pay for. It's a courtesy service on any qualified direct deposit, like payroll or government benefits, into your checking, savings, or money market account. All you need to do is ensure your direct deposit is set up, and the early payment happens automatically. So, your ultimate Regions tip isn't a secret fee structure or a complex investment trick. It's simply this: set up your direct deposit to take advantage of early pay and treat those extra 1 or 2 days as your personal financial buffer. Let the bank system work for you by giving you cash flow peace of mind. Check your account settings, make sure that direct deposit is locked in, and start living life 2 days ahead of schedule. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.